Yes, sir. This fine about to break everything, bro. Dang, we just got them.
That's yours. They're mine. Damn. These things are huge. Spinny bullies. Some spinny boys. That's the rear turbo.
Oh, this is a real one?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oscar hit you back about the fucking downpipe, bro?
Downpipes. Oh, I didn't even ask him. As you know, we got the Dynamic AutoWorks Stage 2 Plus 775 RSs. With the, that's all I'm gonna give y'all. I ain't gonna tell y'all what else I got done to them in the inside, but you know, just they turbos. Update y'all, we got the water pump out. That water pump was new, so whoever had it before me replaced it, which is good. We got oil pan bolts. Still got a lot of stuff, hella oil under here, because that oil pan is leaking like crazy, bro. Oil pan and the oil filter housing was leaking crazy, but we about to replace those as well. So we lit. So I'm gonna hit y'all when they take the subframe out, you get the turbos in. So yeah. So to give y'all a comparison, these are stock turbos. The one that's in my car. This, I don't even know what to call that. This right there is, look how big that is. So if I put my hand in there, probably two could fit in there. But if I go to these, see the difference? See the difference? That's the biggest difference right there. Look how big that blade is, bro.
Huh? We put that rear end back in that Trans Am yesterday.
Oh yeah?
It's crazy, man. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. I'm beyond excited, so shout out to the boys right there. It's about to be a crazy journey, man. All right, update. So we dropped the subframe. What else you do in that whole process?
Downpipes.
Oh yeah, we took the downpipes off. They over here. Took the 3-inch VRSF downpipes off. What else?
Huh?
Put the engine brakes on.
Basically anything that didn't allow.
Yeah, we took a loose.
Subframe's down. Turbos are about to go out. Probably tomorrow morning we'll just do the oil pan gasket out.
Yeah.
Clean this bitch up real good. What's up, bro?
Yeah.
Clean this thing up because it's dirty.
Yeah.
And yeah.
That's it. Yes, sir. It's dirty under here, bro.
Oil filter housing gaskets getting a refresh because
that junk bad.
My man Taz is that shit bad.
For real. Yeah, y'all gon', bro. Y'all gotta, I don't know, but y'all gotta drop a like for something, bro. Cause all this editing and recording, bro, it's gonna be like a 2-3 day process in total, to be honest.
Yeah,
but
we're just taking our time.
Yeah. No leaks.
Go from there.
That's the biggest thing. The leaks.
It'll run like that beast right there.
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's goals right there. It won't be that fast, but you know, it'll get close. All right, I'm gonna hit y'all with shoot.
Give y'all an update.
Yeah, check back in later. All right, y'all. Till tomorrow. What all we do? We took out the front and the rear turbo. Took out the inlets, outlets, dropped the subframe, and tomorrow we gotta do the oil pan gasket.
Oil pan gasket and turbos, I guess.
Oil pan gasket, oil filter housing, yeah, and the radiator, because let me zoom in on your face. So when he was taking out the front turbo, where my finger at? When he was taking out the front turbo, he smashed the radiator, now it's done. So you gotta put another one on there.
Why you gotta call me out like that, bro?
I'm just saying, bro. But he gonna do something about that and get another one. But yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna catch y'all on another one.
Redo this video.
Bro, it's cool, bro. It's an accident, bro. It's cool. This is content. People like to see stuff like that. I already put his in there earlier, but I ain't gonna do it with the hood open. I'm gonna let him do that on his channel. He got a car. But yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all boys tomorrow morning. This is day 1 of the turbo install. We started like 1 o'clock and finished at like 6. So yeah, we ain't got much to do, bro. Doing this thing fast. So until tomorrow, see you guys later. All right, y'all, so we here at day 2 of this turbo install of this build. Brother Eric, nah, I don't know about that. It's just Eric. So what we doing today, bro? What we doing today?
Gasket, basically getting all the
turbos
gaskets out of the way.
Turbos are out.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna install turbos today.
Up, that oil pan gasket looking nasty. You probably can't see it because it's low lighting. I try to film as much as I can, but yeah, we got a lot of brake cleaner, and yeah, we just about to try to knock majority of this out. I'm excited. I think what you got, we got like a day or so left.
Yeah, just to button everything up.
Yeah, and that radiator, and yeah. So we'll hit y'all whenever we get past all that. Put the oil pan gasket back on and all that good stuff. So we're gonna hit y'all there.
Let's get.
Oh shoot, it's been a long day, man, but we making mad progress, bruh. We making mad progress.
That motor was dirty.
It was, but so as you can see, they up in there. The rear one right there. He started the relocated inlet, but we just gonna wrap up, bro. We both tired. So yeah, the turbos are in. Oil pan gasket. Oil pan is in. I don't know if you can see that. It's in there. I think what we got left is the radiator. We got to cut the plastic right here in the front for the intercooler, but finish the inlet. And I was waiting on this other guy to come because I accidentally sold OEM location inlets to this guy, and I accidentally gave this coupler piece that went to my outlets to him. I thought it went with that, and so we've been waiting on him for like all day to bring that. So we just gonna shut down everything. Get that, then we'll do the outlets, finish the inlets tomorrow, radiator, intercooler, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not much more after that. That's it.
We gotta wait for the flange to come here on Thursday.
Oh yeah, and the flange. We got the coolant pipe flange that I had to order to replace because it breaks when you take it off. So I ordered that. That comes Thursday. So this should be up and running come Thursday, pretty much. That's all we're waiting on. So we're gonna check back with you when we get back here tomorrow, so it'll be nice and bright. All right, so this is the next day from that clip before that y'all seen. It's gonna be jump cut. All this is gonna be edited and chopped up and whatnot. So yesterday we could have put the outlets on, but we was road racing. We was in Mexico, but messing around. But we had to go get this this rubber part from I keep turning around with the shade. We had to go get this rubber silicone coupler for the outlets that goes in between the two pipes from the rear turbo to the front turbo. We had to go get that because I sold my OEM location inlets, and I thought that went with that kit, so I gave it to the guy, and something happened yesterday, so we had to go pick it up, so we couldn't put the outlets in yesterday. So far, but we in there today. So far he has that pipe down there for the rear inlet. That's on there. We got to do that. Then we got to relocate the coolant and what else?
The coolant and then the sensor wire.
The coolant, sensor wire, and the coolant hose that's in the front right there. It's gonna go around bottom in the front. But other than that, it's looking real good, man. We about to put the outlets on now, right? Or not right now.
I'm gonna put them in right now.
So yeah, so outlets, inlets, motor mounts.
Bring up the subframe again, connect it to the steering rack.
Down pipes.
And down pipes I can do down pipes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, down pipes last. And then after the very last thing is the oil filter housing, the gaskets, changing the gaskets out on this, and I guess cutting this plastic right here because we got I got the 7.5 inch race intercooler from VRSF. So you got to cut this. This is real big. You got to cut this plastic, and that ain't gonna take nothing but like 10 minutes to do because I already cut majority of it, my intercooler before, but it's looking promising, man. We lit out here. Fast guy, slow guy Tez, I mean, it's just a vert, bro. Just a vert. Don't worry about it. We're gonna be slow. So I'm gonna update y'all once we do all that. By the time I update y'all,
me, worry about you.
Facts. Facts. But this thing's really not gonna be completely finished until my coolant flange comes in tomorrow. It comes in tomorrow, but it's Amazon, so Amazon delivers early in the day, so it probably should come around like maybe 12 or so. I don't know, 12. I'm hoping 12 or in the morning would be even better. But I work tomorrow, so I might just, I don't know, I might just wait till Friday, to be honest, bro. It depends. But we're gonna update y'all whenever we finish all this. I don't want to keep talking around my mouth. It's a lot of editing, and we're gonna see y'all there, and I should snap my finger and boom. All right, so update. I don't even know where we left off, but I'm gonna update y'all. So we did oil filter housing gasket. We buttoned up everything on the bottom. The subframe is up. Sway bar is good. We gotta fix the inlet because it popped off on the rear turbo. So what's left is just intercooler, radiator, and what else?
Relocate the tank, the expansion tank.
Oh yeah.
And then just put it back on.
Dang, that ain't nothing, bro. Oh, yeah, we lit. Yes, sir, ski. You know, I might want me to leave the camera with you so you can film it, or you want me to just wait until I get here?
I can wait.
Okay. All right. Bet. Yes, sir.
The car's gonna be together.
Okay. Yep, and then we just, at the end, it's just gonna clean up everything, make it look nice. And then my intake valves are dirty, but I'm gonna get the walnut blast next week, so should be good with that. But other than that, we lit. Oh my goodness, it's been It's been a ride. Shout out to this guy, bruh. He goated, like, for real, for real. Like, he's that guy, bruh. You need somebody honest, stand up, that's gonna do the right thing, bruh. That's him. He a real dude. But if you try to triumph, hey, he got something for you. That's all I gotta say. Don't do it. Yeah, we about to be running. It's so surreal, bruh. My car been like this on limp mode, turbos blown for like, I don't even know how long. How long was that? Like 4 months? Been like 4 months since it's been like that. So we're gonna do that. This video gonna be lengthy. Please bear with us. It's gonna be lengthy, but well worth it. So we about to wrap up. I have to work tomorrow, so he's gonna be working on it, and he should have it done like by the afternoon, right?
I should be done around 1, maybe 3.
Yeah, we should have it done by then. But dang, that's crazy. Working. But I'm gonna hit y'all then. So let's go. So this is the next day. So I just got off of work, and Eric, he worked on the car all day today. So big shouts out to Eric. He's a trooper throughout this whole process, man. He's been good on his word. He's always good on his word, but I'm sitting here waiting, you know, waiting until he's about to come pick me up right now. And my car is finished, y'all. My car is finished. I apologize for not being able to record the last little bit. Yeah, like I said, he's on his way to pick me up. He should be here in a little bit. And we're gonna head there and see my car, see the finishing results. And I apologize for the video being a little glitchy and just like not looking good. I had some weird settings in my camera set to. I don't know how I got like that. Maybe I was playing around with it and accidentally hit something, but from here on out, this is what the quality of the camera is gonna look like. It's gonna actually look better because I have a standard SD card right now, but I plan on upgrading it like very soon. Like my next video is gonna be upgraded by then. So hopefully you guys been enjoying this whole process, and I'm gonna see y'all there. Let's get it, gang. Last guy here, we're about to go pick up my baby. What's goody? All right, we made it. It's the moment of truth. Oh, I wanna cry. This man is the GOAT right here, bro. You can't tell me you're not the GOAT right here. Look at the baby. Oh my goodness. Yo, oh, look at the intercooler. Look at the intercooler. Oh, bro, I'm about to cry. I sound like a whole girl, but I don't care, bro.
Well, let me move it up a little bit.
Oh my goodness. You need some help cleaning up?
I'm good.
All right. Oh my, bro, look at this side profile picture. I'm about to cry, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh. First startup, bro. Oh my goodness. This is about to be crazy. Yo, this is about to be crazy, bro. Oh my God. Bro, this is about to be nasty, bro. Oh my gosh. You want to rev it right now? You can rev it. Rev this real quick.
Let me warm it up. I'm not gonna rev it.
Okay. That's crazy, bro. And you already put that pipe in there for Oscar?
Oh, no.
She's alive, bro. Look how big that intercooler is, bro. Yeah. Beautiful color intakes. Oh, y'all don't know how long I waited for this, bro. Y'all don't know how long I waited for this. I promise y'all don't, man. And then exterior mods. I got so much more I'm gonna be doing with this. Y'all don't even understand, bro. Y'all don't understand. Oh my goodness. I got my tablet in there. I need to retune my retune it and take the burbles off. Okay. So we're gonna let it warm up and then we're gonna get some revs in it, some rev clips. Yeah, y'all not messing with me, bro. Y'all not messing with me. Yeah, it's about that time. Hey, I'm gonna end the video. Nah. I'm gonna drive it. And keep recording. But bro, I don't know what to do right now. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. How long I've been waiting for this moment, man. All right, so hold on. All right, so I ended up. I had to reflash it and turn the turbos off because the previous one, I had them on and everything, clear the codes and everything. It's running way better. But I still need a custom tune for it. But this is how it sounds. Go ahead, go, bro. Goodness, yeah, we up in there, man. Yes, sir, we up in there. So I'm gonna probably end this vlog off here because I got a whole lot more stuff going on with the gang. Know what I'm saying, with the Beamer gang. Look what's lined up. Look at the lineup. Look at the lineup. I'm telling you, bro. I'm about to post fire stuff, bro. Fastest N54 vert in Atlanta. Nah, Shan. We gonna come hard. Nah, saying shout out to my boy Eric. This the guy. The video, the whole process. This him, bro. And I'm gonna drop his link. We about to start him a YouTube channel. I just filmed something for him, so we gonna get lit, bro.
Rolling.
Yes, sir. Fast guys, Beamer bros. We up in here, man. Let's go. All right, guys. So this has been like so surreal. Like, I honestly don't even know like what to say, bro. Like, it's like getting this done. It's like it was a piece of me missing until I got it finished, and like now I feel like I can be happy again. I feel like I can enjoy life again because I was always depressed, like, oh, my car just messed up. Because like I'm passionate about not just my car, just passionate about the whole the whole scene and whatnot. So it's just like, it's just so surreal to me, man. Like, I probably just like, oh, he just got turbos, so that's it. Nah, bro, I've been dealing with this car. My bro tell you, I've been dealing with this car 6 months straight, bro, with the turbos, just like not being able to go out with the boys, staying in the crib. It's just been bad, bro. I just felt like I'd lost my car, and I feel like it's just been revived. So I mean, we got big things coming, man. I'm telling you, we got big things coming. Fastest N54 vert in Atlanta. I'm trying to tell you. And if I'm not gonna be, you can challenge, no problem. I accept the challenge. But it's all for fun and games when I say it like that. But I also do take it serious. But can we just admire intercooler, big boy, again? But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I appreciate everybody who stayed to the end of this video. I know it's gonna be freaking long, bro, but it is well worth it. Stay tuned for the next video. But I think that's gonna do it, man. I got future mods. I'm doing a walnut blasting next week. Other stuff. It's just so much stuff I got. This gets endless content on this car because it's gonna always break. But I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. I appreciate everybody who stopped by. Drop a heart comment section in the drop a heart emoji in the comment section, and just hashtag save a BMW, man. Shout out to my boy Normandi. I forgot his name, but yeah, shout out to you. But we up out here. Let's get it.